Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can create multiple pins on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Pinterest and then you can see the plus icon on the middle of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it and go to create. Now you can see some of your photos on your gallery. You can select all of these, so you can see that multiple assets will create a single video. If you want to create a single video with all of your photos, you can do that, or you can also see some of the other photos on your gallery. So you have selected 9 photos or 10 photos right now. You can see that this will be created as a single video. So these all are your pins, but if you want to multiply upload it, it will be uploaded as a video. If you want to do that, go ahead and click on next. After do that, you can go to media and you can decrease the size or decrease the duration of time of the photos, in which you can see that the slideshow will be decreased over the duration as well. So you can do this to all of your photos. You can individually select your photos and decrease the duration. After that, go ahead and click on done. You can see that your pin has been created. This is in the form of the video or GIF. Now you can see some of the options like sizes. You can select the size. So the most engaging is 19 by 16. You can select this and click done. After that, what you need to do is go to media and you can add more media, or you can increase or decrease the size from here. After that, there are options like text. You can keep your text. You can see there are a lot of fonts here. You can write something like recent edits or something like that. So you can go ahead and go to music as well. You can see that you have edited this. So this is my font over here. I'll just go ahead and select the font and I will write some edits. So after I write this, I'll click done and you can see this is the caption. Now if you want to add some music, you can do that as well. You can listen to the music. After you're sure, go ahead and click on add. Then you can see the music has been perfectly aligned with your pin. Go ahead and click on done once again. And you can also add your own stickers, draw something, or you can also add the color if you want. So after that, go ahead and click on next. Now you can see the titles over here. You can write the title, the description, and if you go a bit down, you can see your board and add topics. So this is the tag related to topics to reach people interested in pins like yours. People won't see your tag topic, so you can go ahead and write down the tag of the topic. I'm gonna write something like football. So you can see that there are a lot of tags available. You can just go ahead and select all of these and click done. After that, go ahead and click on create and your pin will be created. Then you can go to view and easily view the pin which you just created easily. If you want to see all of the pins which you have recently created, you can go to your profile and you can go to pins. After that, you can see some of the pins which you have created, uploaded, and this is fully usable. So guys, this is how easily you can create multiple pins on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.